This gas tank's aluminum. Not sure why someone tried to polish it out. It's got some dents in it. That's actually a pretty good sized dent. You can tell these are aluminum on these ZX7s. If you don't have a magnet, they weld up the bottom edge. So we're gonna start scuffing this down, get ready to fix it. When working on aluminum, always use a brand new piece. Don't use used pieces on it of sandpaper or if you're grinding. But I'm gonna sand it down and prime it, and then we'll start working on it. Kind of hard to tell from the video, but it's definitely got a really big dent. So we're gonna do some glue pulls on it and get that out. Starting to look a little bit better. Notice there's not as much as a gap in there. We're gonna have to do a little more. The glue wasn't strong enough, so I switched to a super fast adhesive. And I actually put it on, but then I stick it over the edge, otherwise it'll just pull off. We're getting really close. Might have to do just a couple more. Put some primer on it just to check it over. Most of this will get sanded off and get primed again. There's a little something here, but also you can still see there's some funky stuff up in here. Plus I found a dent right around here, but it's starting to look really good.